second, I want to thank the Almighty for what He has granted us. And I want to thank you for what you have given us. May the Almighty bless you, and I'm very happy.
Okay.
May God bless you.
Before you come in, I want to say thank you, Carmen, for what you have given.
Thank you, Carmen, for what you have given me. For me, I am an orphan. I don't have my father. Even we are many, but we don't have money even to continue with my study. And this one will help me. I thank God for that. May God bless you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
I want to thank God. I am Molly Scovia. First of all, I would like to thank God for what He has given to me. And I also want to thank you for the wonderful day.
And for my machine.
And for my machine.
For your machine.
So,
I am very happy for this machine.
I am very happy for this machine that you have given to me. When I go back home, I'm going to tell my parents that this machine is my gift.
From Spain?
From Spain, because I'm a disabled. That's why these people give me this machine. So God help me, Lord. I want to thank you.
And God bless all of you.
And God bless all of you.
Okay, and thank you so much, everybody, for coming. And and also above all, these are the students who did not receive. You can see them; they are not very happy. So promptly, we prefer that maybe the next one, the next person to receive the sewing machine is coming over to record. Now, who do you hear as the next person? Okay. So you can tell me anything you want to tell me. I'm going to record.
Sir, I thank you for the gift you have given to me. May the Almighty Father.
You have not got the gift, so you said you will be. You have to be considered as the third person. Okay? Cogni, your name, course.
My name is Sauma Yunis. I'm in tailoring department. Yes, sir.
I come from a poor family.
I came from a poor family.
And I am asking for support.
I'm asking for support.
Even for my friends that you are seeing behind.
Even for my friends that you are seeing behind.
Okay. So you think you know can I meet Kopijua Mommy again?
So, if possible, you help me with the material.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, does any of you wants me to record her voice or something? Because I'm going to send this evening to the people who gave that. Is there something you want to request? You want to ask for the old students? I'm waiting. You can just volunteer and ask. Okay, you need volunteering. So you're going to ask something on behalf of Teno Luchema Tutumkano. So you in English.
My name is Saria Modesta.
Yes.
I'm in TCC.
I am in tailoring. They don't know TCC.
I am in tailoring department. I'm requesting the tailoring material for practical.
For practical.
If possible, they help us with it.
And also, you are also requesting for the support for sewing machines to be sent. All of you come from a poor family and your whole orphans, not so? See, those are the English I want. All right. You can say thank you to Spain. Thank you for the friends in Spain for giving the sewing machine.
Thank you for giving us the sewing machine.
Okay, thank you. All right. All right, thank you all of you. Don't want to bear we